Friends, we are at the Kijpara Waterfall of Kangan. Call it jaw-dropping, call it awe-inspiring, or call it amazing, call it beautiful, and call it an amazing experience so far. This is nature at its best, and you can see the flow of water and such a beautiful serene sound and music that the waters play. This is Kashmir. This is Kashmir's rural tourism and this is for what I call the real Kashmir, and invite all of you to be here with us to share this nature, to enjoy this nature, and to see the Kijpara waterfall. The water comes all along from the power canal of Kangan, and this is the Nala that's coming from, the stream comes rather from Naranag, the famous tourist spot. I am overjoyed literally and feeling that inner calm, that skoon, what we call skoon, by coming here.